Alright guys, today in the old print shop we're doing this rose color and blue dual color Conjure PLA. You can see this side of the roll is rose, this side is blue. This stuff prints very smoothly, very cleanly. I've had zero failures. I've been testing 3 rolls of Conjure filament, and I tested 3 rolls before this week, and I've never had a failure. I've never had a clog. Now I know you can still get failures, and that has to do with experience and knowing your machine as well. But as far as the PLA, it's been great. Here's some of the prints I did. You can see this beautiful vase from the front here. It's like the rose color, and it has the plant on it. And if I pin it to the back, it turns to the blue. Extremely smooth print, came out very nice. You can see down in there as well, it is hollow. So I was going to sell this on Etsy, but my wife decided to keep it. Also printed this little articulated bug, which I thought was cool. This is just like a giveaway to kids at baseball fields and stuff. And then I also printed this fidget clicker. It has a keyboard switch in there, and this is printed out of that same color. This little Bulbasaur came out very nice. I'm quite impressed with these Conjure filaments. They are very quality. I've had 0 clogs, and you can see they come out quite smooth. So I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.